This year was fantastic. We had an amazing year with our partnership between WeYield and Ratehighway. We've accomplished an amazing amount. Some of the most significant things is understanding how we're going to move forward.
What I most like in the WeYield Forum today, the news that you have on the automatic pricing, and also, for sure, the Ratehighway integration. With the Ratehighway integration, we started it in September, and it was a really huge change for us. We needed to check prices every day and update them every day. And right now, we can spend more time looking the sales, looking what we have done, and don't spend a lot of time changing prices. So it's a really huge time saving, and we can dedicate our time. You guys help us a lot, not only understanding the market, understanding the price strategy, but also teaching us with a lot of different aspects. You teach us what you needed to be a successful company, a rental company in the future.
You have spoken today about the auto rates, the automatic rate pricing, etc. AI has to help us do the job a little bit. Although we have to pilot, but we need to automate a little bit everything. Actually, with WeYield, now we have a plan. It's a big sentence. Before, we didn't have a strategy. Before, we just followed the market. Now we have a strategy, now we have a plan, and it's helping us big time.
I'm super excited. I've been working with Ratehighway for the last year. We announced at the WTM22 our partnership, and it has been such a great journey for WeYield. WeYield, since the beginning, has been focusing on the revenue management, meaning the data visualization, the demand forecast, the strategies, the fleet planning, all these details. But it's always been a kind of bottleneck to say our client, they need to update their prices. They need to translate it into pricing action.
We can see the trees, we're being very precise, but WeYield can see the entire forest, can look at the entire market. We've been in business for 21 years, and we've struggled for 21 years to find an effective way to communicate the granular work that we're doing, the precision that we're doing to our customers. It hasn't been until our partnership with WeYield that we've had a partner that is expert enough in visualization that's been able to take that and create a usable, consumable way of understanding that.
Since we have been working with Ratehighway, we have entered in a new era to be able to join these two worlds of the rate updates on one side and the piloting and the forecast on the other side. So I'm super happy we have been able to, over the last year, to already launch 3 clients. I'm also super happy about this cultural partnership because we are collaborating so well between the two companies, the two teams, that it seems to be fluid, easy, and now with the integration of Ratehighway within WeYield apps in order to visualize the complexity of the rate strategies and the rules, it is even clearer for our clients to be able to control, set their strategy and control it for the future.